Tailwind CSS isn't just another styling framework. It's a utility-first ideology that makes building modern, responsive websites faster and easier. Unlike Bootstrap, Design, or Material UI, which come with predefined components and styles, Tailwind gives you complete control through small, reusable utility classes. So instead of writing custom CSS from scratch, you can simply combine these classes to style your site exactly how you want. This approach has completely transformed the way developers write CSS. Sure, UI kits are great at first, but tweaking them to match your design, that's a headache. Let's be honest, default UI component libraries stick out like fast food menus. They work, but they all look the same. Tailwind, on the other hand, is like a fully stocked kitchen. It gives you the ingredients, not the prepackaged meal. No more rigid, no more cookie-cutter designs. You get the flexibility to customize everything while keeping your codebase clean and maintainable. Still, if you want to use some ready-made components, Tailwind's ecosystem has exploded with component libraries that support it. Everything from Tailwind UI and Headless UI, and of course everyone's favorite, ShotCN. These libraries let you build UIs faster than ever without sacrificing customization. But do real companies actually use Tailwind? Absolutely. From OpenAI to Shopify, Loom, The Verge, Turbo, GitHub, Microsoft, and even NASA, Tailwind CSS is the go-to choice for many big companies. The official example showcase highlights some of the biggest brands using Tailwind CSS in production. So, are you ready to take your styling game to the next level? Let's dive right in.